my name is Toby. I'm a registered dietitian and certified diabetes educator. In addition to coaching people with diabetes, I have successfully managed my own diabetes for more than 5 decades. I'm thankful for the advances in medical nutrition therapy. The ability to sweeten foods and beverages without adding calories and excessive carbohydrate is a wonderful part of managing blood sugar levels. Take my breakfast, for example. Every morning, no matter where I am in the world, I have delicious oatmeal topped with a packet of Splenda stevia, cinnamon, and a couple almonds. I also use Splenda in some of my favorite recipes and always keep packets stashed in my purse. Splenda is my go-to low-calorie sweetener. One of my biggest tips to successfully managing diabetes and blood sugar levels is to go with what's working and what you like. I choose and recommend these low-calorie sweeteners for their great taste and confidence that they will not spike blood sugar.